Today I want to talk about how to manage money. Managing money is an important skill that everyone should learn, especially students. Good money management helps us to avoid financial problems and prepare for the future. Without proper planning, we may spend too much and end up having no saving. Therefore, it is important to know how to manage our money wisely. Firstly, we should create a budget. A budget is a plan that shows how much money we have and how we are going to spend it. For example, students can divide their money into categories such as food, school supply, transportation, and savings. By having a budget, we can control our spending and make sure we do not use more money than we have. In addition, it is important to keep track of our expenses. We can write down everything we spend in a notebook or use a mobile app. This helps us to understand where our money goes and identify areas where we can save more. By tracking our expenses, we become more responsible and disciplined in managing our money. Furthermore, saving money is very important. We should always set aside a small amount of money as savings, even it is just a little. Saving money can help us during emergency or when we want to buy something important in the future. For instance, we can save money to buy books, gadgets, or even for further education. Developing the habits of saving from a young age will benefit us later in life. Last, Lastly, we should avoid unnecessary spending. Many people like to buy things they do not really need, such as expensive clothes or gadgets. This can waste a lot of money. Before buying something, we should ask ourselves whether it is a need or a want. By making wise decisions, we can reduce wasteful spending and use our money more effectively. In conclusion, managing money is a valuable skill that everyone should practice. By creating a budget, saving regularly, avoiding unnecessary spending, and tracking expenses, we can use our money wisely and build a better future. It is never too early to start managing our money properly. That's all from me. Thank you.